Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do the fake boyfriend trend on TikTok. Okay, so for that, if you're looking for the filter here in TikTok, you will not get the effect here in TikTok because this is a third-party effect. It's from CapCut. So you need to install CapCut. You can download CapCut from your App Store or Play Store. So once you download the app, what you can do, okay, you need the template. So you can just visit my profile. Okay, in my profile, you will see a playlist. It's CapCut template. Just tap on it.
Trying the fake boyfriend prank.
Okay. Okay, the first video. This is the effect. Okay, this was the effect. What you can do, on the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see this effect icon. It's in yellow. Jessica voice. Just tap there. Okay, now in this pop-up, you will see CapCut try this template. Just tap on it. Okay, you will be directed to this page. Now tap on use template in CapCut. Okay, you will be directed to CapCut. Wait for it. Okay, this is the template. Here on the bottom of the screen, you will see use AI template. Just tap on it. You need to browse a picture from your camera roll. Okay, so which picture I went with? Okay, let's go with this one. Wait for it.
Trying the fake boyfriend prank.
I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds, pretty little babe.
Okay, that's done. Now you can hit export and you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can join this trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.